Hi. Happy Saturday. It's the first sunny day. We're so excited. We're coming outside like the Italian word for lizard. I forget.
Lucertole.
Lucertole is we're just coming out like this. We're so excited. It's a beautiful day. And Ariana's going to show us how to make an Aperol Spritz. Ariana is from our village of Montefalonico, as you likely know. And she works at a really special place among all the other jobs she has, a place called Bar Sport. And Bar Sport is not a bar per se, and it's not really even a sports bar. It's outside in a gravel patio with plastic chairs, and everybody comes. So the grandparents, the children, babies, everybody, dogs, kids come, and it is a very, very special part of Montefalonico. We love it. And Ariana works there as well. And it's not a bar really. You don't go there to drink so much, but you can get coffee mostly, because coffee, you can get cigarettes, is a big place for that. And not so much food either, but really beautiful potato chips and some nuts. And always, always the Aperol Spritz.
Yeah. Aperol Spritz is our favorite aperitivo that we do in Italy, and that's why today I want to show you how to do that. We need just few ingredients. That's some Prosecco, club soda, Aperol, ice, and a couple of slices of oranges. So let's see together how to do that. The first thing is to put some ice inside a glass. You can decide how much.
Of course, in America we use a lot of ice, but in Italy, not so much.
Let's say like half of the glass should be ice. The first thing that I usually put is the Aperol, but I want to tell you that there is no rules which drink you have to, which thing you have to put first. You can absolutely put even the Prosecco first or the club soda. I usually just start with the Aperol.
And Aperol has a bitter flavor if you haven't had it before. It's in a liqueur that is a bitter flavor, like a Campari or something like that. It's really good, and the color is just spectacular.
Nice. Yeah. Then you can go on with the Prosecco.
Yay!
Usually it's 1/3 of Aperol, 1/3 of Prosecco, and 1/3 of club soda. But you can change the quantities. This is really up to you. If you want it to be a little bit more tasty, you can add some Aperol. If you want a little bit more bubbles, you can add some Prosecco. You have just to find out the way that you like it more. And at least I usually add some club soda.
And the club soda, this is what we get. The Canada Dry, of course, is kind of an iconic club soda. We're finding we really like this Fever Tree. I'm sure maybe you've seen it. I believe it's from England or London. We have to ask our friend Jan at Castani which one she has. She makes a lovely gin and tonic with this. But the club soda is really nice. It has less sugar and it's a little finer bubble.
As the last ingredient, we just decided to put one slice of orange if you have a small orange, or just half slice if you have a big one, as we have a really nice fresh orange.
Yes, we were at Farmer's Market this morning and we got our ingredients from there, some of them.
And the other half, you can just put it here. Your Aperol Spritz is ready. Now all you have to do is mix it. And I would like to tell you to don't mix it like in a round way, because in that way you will lose the bubbles. The right way to mix it is from the bottom to the top. And it will need just like a couple of seconds until the color is not uniform. So you will not have anymore the Aperol on the bottom. Now, all you have to do is drink it.
And we taste it. Sure, it's delicious. Yes. Salute.
Salute.
No doubt it's good. Salute to you. From our house to yours.